Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization in here. S squared minus 2s, you will go about s multiplied by s minus 2. This one we can do about identity. Number 4 in here is about 2 to the power of 2. And this one we can write into s minus 2 multiplied by s plus 2. This one in here we can do about factorization. And you will got about s minus 2 multiplied by s minus 1. So we have number 3 with s and number 3 with s minus 2. So this one you got about s to the power of 3, s minus 2 to the power of 3. We have number 2 going here and here. So we got about s minus 2 to the power of 2, s plus 2 to the power of 2. And this one we have number 5. So number 5 goes to s minus 2 and s minus 1. Next, we combine s minus 2 to the power of 3 with s minus 2 to the power of 2. You got about s minus 2 to the power of 5. So we simplify this one on numerator and denominator. Next, so we just put number 2 go in here. And we got the final answer. That's about 128. This is the end. Thank you for watching.